If you happen to own a 88-98 Chevy CK pickup GMC Sierra, including the 99-2000 Classic model, alongside with the 92-99 full-size SUVs, this video might be for you if you're having problems with your tail light. If you're, let's say for instance, either a brake light's not working, a reverse light, or your turn signal is going in the hyper flash, and you got good bulbs. So what's going to be the most biggest victim out of all? Of course will be this faulty circuit board. Even aftermarket, they even got some aftermarket ones that love to go out too, that love to actually like to kick the bucket. But this one is a Dorman circuit board that I've replaced 2 years ago, and this one decided to kick the bucket with this little socket right here. You can't hardly see it that well on the camera because it's their camera quality, but it's kind of, see where it's yellowed at and kind of got a little burnt from typical wear. This truck's only got like 140,000 miles, so I ended up going by O'Reilly's and picked up a circuit board made by TYC. I see a lot of people switching to using the TYC circuit boards. So let me show you what the actual product, how great the TYC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the key, and watch this. And even the running light works on this one, and I got a working turn signal. So we'll go back to the truck, and I'm gonna show you just the actual running lights working properly. Now let's try out the turn signals with the I don't have the truck started up, so I kind of have it in the run position, so just to show you how the lights actually work. So what I'm going to do here is show you the reverse lights. Just disregard that buzzing noise. It don't really bother me. I just don't stay in the truck that long. So yeah, reverse lights work. So you talk about what an easy fix, and I'm gonna tell you how you get access to your head. There we go. Show you what you got to do to get to your tail lights. Once you pull this tailgate down, there's going to be 2 screws, and this just unplugs into one little harness, and next thing you know, all you got to do is unbolt these from the actual tail light assemblies. And surprisingly, these tail lights actually never faded, because I had replaced them like 3 years ago, and I just put a coat of wax on them to keep them looking good. But that's not what the whole video is about. The whole video is about these faulty circuit boards. So like I said, if you own an 88, 98 or 99 Classic, as well, or the 92, 99 full-size SUVs, and your tail light's not working right, 9 times out of 10 is going to be this faulty circuit board. So just wanted to help a lot of guys out there who own GMT 400 trucks. So hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.